In this segment, we're going to look at two useful reports you can use when planning your sales calls: the Contact Printout Report and the Customer Snapshot Report. Let's start with the Contact Printout Report. This report shows a summary of the information found in a specific company or contact card. Here's how to run the report. First, open a company or contact card. Then, click on the Contact Report Printout button on the button bar. Next, in the report prompt, make the selections for the information that you want to appear in your report. Select the format that you want to run the report in. Check or uncheck any of the buttons next to the information that you do not want to appear in your report. Select the time frame, and if you want email to appear in your activity list, you can select this particular box. Once you've made your selections, click on the OK button, and your Contact Printout Report will open. The first section shows the general information on the company that you selected. Any notes, additional information, or categories that you have entered into their company card will appear in this section. Any contacts that are in the company card will also appear along with their information. The next section is shown from the Relationship tab. The information may include any companies that you represent that this particular company is purchasing from, along with any competitive manufacturers they may be buying from. If you have entered special pricing or discounts into the system in the Relationship tab area, it will also appear here on the report. In this next area, if this company is a participant in any marketing programs or special promotions that are currently running, you will see this here. The next area shows you the number of appointments, journals, and tasks, and the time that these particular activities have taken. And finally, you will see a list of all of the activities that have occurred between your company and the company that you've selected. It will display any appointments, journals, opportunities, tasks, or emails. If you selected the email button in your report prompt, they will all display here. It will show you the date that this activity took place. It will show you the type of activity and a description line that appears in the appointment or journal or opportunity or task, or the subject line in any email. As you can see, this report provides you with a great deal of knowledge of what's been happening with this specific company and makes it easier for you to plan your next sales call, to follow up on any opportunities that may still be open, or to present new lines. Other information that is helpful when planning a sales call is the past sales history for this customer. The information can be found in the next report we will look at, the Customer Snapshot. The Customer Snapshot shows a summary of a specific company's sales. Here's how to run this report. First, click on the Customers in the Shortcuts panel. Next, highlight the customer that you are going to call on. Go up to the button bar, click on Customer Snapshot, and again, a report prompt will open. Make the choices for the information that you want to appear in this report. Once you have done that, click on the OK button and your report will open. The information at the beginning of the report is similar to the information found in the Contact printout. You will see general company information, any categories or additional information that appear in this company's card, any contacts that are listed within the company will also appear. The rest of the information found in the customer snapshot is sales related. First, you'll see the manufacturers that you represent that this customer is buying from. You will see a current month versus the same month in the previous year. You will see year to date this year versus year to date last year. You will see a percentage of difference between the 2 years, the total sales for 2008, and a ranking of these lines based upon the total percentage of their sales for this year. The higher the percentage, the higher the ranking, the more the sales. In this next section, if you are entering line item detail, the top products that your customer is buying will appear here. If you do not enter line item detail, then the top invoices will display. And finally, you will see a chart showing you the total sales by month for this customer for the current year and previous years, along with a percentage of difference between the current year and the previous year. With the information found in these two reports, which can be printed prior to your sales calls, you can quickly and effectively set your plans and goals for your next sales calls. If you print the reports, you can even use them to take notes on the results of your sales presentations and follow-up tasks required. Your customers will be impressed with your preparation and appreciate you not wasting their valuable time. So, like a good scout, be prepared. Print out the Contact Printout report and the Customer Snapshot report before your sales calls and use them to be more effective and productive during these calls.